This is the first sheet of the setup area of the C4P Vaccination Tool. And it has 4 areas that you're going to need to fill out. The first one is administrative level labels. And we're asking the question, what are the 4 administrative levels that you're going to be working at in introducing the HPV vaccine? You can write the label in any of the yellow areas here. The first one is the national level, so you can say national or republic or whichever you want. The second level is usually the administrative level right under the national one. Some people use the term province, some people use the term state, some people use the term region. So whatever is right for you, use that. The next is the third level, of course, and then the fourth level name. So you can go national, region, district, and you could go town, or you could go health service area, whichever one is right for you. And if you want to make notes as to why you chose these ones, or if you're a consultant and you want to let us know which source you got these names from, you can put it in here. The next is the venue for vaccination. Usually there's 3 venues for vaccination for HPV. One is in the clinic, and that's routine. The second one would be in the school, and that can be either routine or special. And the third one is in the community for those people who can't or aren't in school and so can't get the vaccinations there. So we call that usually community, outreach. And I often like to put in that it's routine, or if it's a special campaign, because often that will determine what your costs are going to be. So there you go. Venue, clinic, school, community outreach are usually what you can use. The personnel type labels, if you want to use nurses, that's fine. If you want to use midwives, that's fine as a label. I usually just use vaccinators because that allows you to use more than one type of personnel cadre. And last but not least, we label who the target population is. So it was a good idea to let us know whether or not it's girls or girls and boys, and what their age range is. Now, sometimes you can have a target population that's 9 years old. In another case, you can have it 9 to 13, sometimes 11 to 12. So make sure that you put that in here. And if you have a justification for choosing that particular age range, also make a note of it here. It's a good idea.